Dive into dropshipping, the future of selling. This innovative business model is transforming the way we think about e-commerce. You want to be an entrepreneur. You have the drive, the vision, and the passion to create something amazing. You want to crush it online. You dream of seeing your sales skyrocket and your business thrive in the digital marketplace. Dropshipping might be your answer. It's a business model that allows you to sell products without ever handling them yourself. It's a low-risk way to sell products online. You can offer a wide range of products without the need for a large upfront investment. No need to hold inventory. Sounds good, right? Let's dive in and explore how this works. Dropshipping is exploding in popularity. More and more entrepreneurs are turning to this model to start their online businesses. It's perfect for first-time entrepreneurs. It allows you to test the waters without a significant financial commitment. Why? Low startup costs, less risk. You can start small and scale up as your business grows. You don't handle any products. Your suppliers take care of storage and shipping, freeing you up to focus on other aspects of your business. This means you can focus on what matters, selling and growing your brand. You can dedicate your time to marketing and customer service. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes hustle. It takes dedication. You need to be prepared to put in the work. But the potential is huge. With the right strategy and effort, you can achieve significant success. Are you ready to put in the work? Let's get started on this exciting journey into the future of selling. How dropshipping works. A simple breakdown. Imagine this. A customer orders a cool phone case from your online store. Here's what happens next. The customer browses through your beautifully designed website, finds the perfect phone case, and places an order. You receive the order notification and immediately forward the order details to your trusted supplier. Your supplier then takes over. They handle everything else, from packaging the product securely to shipping it directly to your customer. They even manage customer service inquiries related to the shipment. That's dropshipping in a nutshell. It's a seamless process that allows you to focus on other important aspects of your business. You focus on the fun stuff, building your brand and marketing your products. You find customers. You make the sale. You can spend your time creating engaging content, running promotions, and connecting with your audience. Meanwhile, your supplier handles the rest. They manage the logistics, ensuring that the products reach your customers on time. This streamlined process saves you time and money. You don't have to worry about the complexities of inventory management or shipping logistics. The best part, you never touch the inventory. No need to invest in storage space or deal with the hassle of stock management. No more packing boxes in your basement. Sounds pretty good, right? With dropshipping, you can run a successful e-commerce business with minimal overhead and maximum efficiency. Finding your perfect product. What to sell online. Choosing the right product is crucial. Don't just pick something you like. Pick something people want to buy. Do your research. Find a niche market. Passion is great, but profitability is key. Look for products with high demand. Use tools like Google Trends. Check out competitor websites. What are they selling? What are people saying in online reviews? Remember, your product is your business foundation. Choose wisely. Build your empire on a product people are actually searching for. Section 4. Partnering with reliable suppliers. Your key to success. Your supplier is your business partner. Choose wisely. Look for reliability. Fast shipping is crucial. Quality products are non-negotiable. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Vet your suppliers carefully. Use reputable directories like SaleWho or worldwide brands. Platforms like AliExpress are also popular. Check reviews. Ask for samples. Make sure they align with your brand values. Remember, your supplier is an extension of your business. Choose partners who care about quality and customer satisfaction as much as you do. Section 5. Marketing your dropshipping store. Get the word out. You have an amazing product. You have a reliable supplier. Now tell the world, marketing is everything. Use social media. Master search engine optimization or SEO. Build an email list. Create engaging content. Show off your products. Run targeted ads. Connect with influencers. Build a community around your brand. Be active, be present, be relentless. Marketing is an ongoing process. Constantly experiment. Analyze your results. Adapt and improve. Remember, attention is the name of the game. Grab it and never let go. Section 6. Success Stories. Inspiration from Dropshipping Stars. In this section, we delve into the journeys of those who have turned their dreams into reality through dropshipping. Don't just take my word for it. Listen to the voices of those who have walked this path before you. Countless entrepreneurs have found success with dropshipping. They started small, often with just a single product. They hustled, learning the ropes and overcoming challenges. Now they're running thriving businesses with warehouses full of products and a steady stream of orders. You can too. Take, for example, the story of insert real or fictional successful dropshipping entrepreneur and briefly describe their journey and achievements. They began with a vision, faced numerous obstacles, but never gave up. Their story is proof that with hard work, dedication, and the right approach, dropshipping can be a path to financial freedom and entrepreneurial success. They turned their laptop into a powerful tool for business. These success stories are everywhere. They're inspiring. Each one is a testament to the potential of dropshipping. They're proof that dropshipping works. Get inspired. Learn from the best. Absorb their strategies, their mindset, and their perseverance. And then go out and create your own success story. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. Your success story could be the next one we share. Section 7. Ready to dropship? Your journey starts now. Dropshipping is a powerful business model. Low risk, high reward potential. It's perfect for first-time entrepreneurs. You control your destiny, you choose your products, you build your brand. Ready to get started? Do your research, find your niche, source amazing products, build a beautiful online store, and then market like crazy. The dropshipping world is your oyster. Dive in, embrace the hustle, and watch your entrepreneurial dreams become a reality. Good luck.